Windows can't find the Taskschedulerhelper DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a guided solution to fix this critical library mismatch. To begin our Taskschedulerhelper troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Taskschedulerhelper, a localized helper library for the Windows Task Scheduler. It manages the conversion of XML-based task definitions into binary triggers for the system execution engine. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. If you see a Taskschedulerhelper DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the localized task scheduling logic subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Taskschedulerhelper, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Remember that Taskschedulerhelper DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes Taskschedulerhelper-related documentation. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Taskschedulerhelper critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.